Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know how to utilize the Allbetter for Professional app the best possible way. Soon as you sign up and you log in and you finish up the whole process, you notice that there are jobs in your job feed. Now, these jobs are specifically curated based on the service area you selected and the category services that you opt into. Let me show you an example. In here, we have a landscaping job, but let's say you don't do landscaping. You can come up here, turn this feature off, and then that job now is gone. That just goes to show you we're filtering jobs based on skill set that you have as well as the service area that you have. Now, if you do travel and you move somewhere else, we always recommend you change your service area. And what this is going to do now, it's going to show you jobs that happen to be within that new area that you're located at or you're traveling to. Some of the job you can see, there are people that are posting jobs hourly and they want to pay 25 bucks. Everything is negotiable. If you click on this and you read the description, you think comfortable doing that, you can either accept it or you can send a bid. Here you can enter whatever details or hourly rates that you think you're comfortable doing this job for, and be sure to include a description with that. This always keep in mind, your bid is sent among other bids, so for your bid to outstand, you need to showcase some professionalism, and this is things that customers really pay attention to. If they see you're detail-oriented, the chances are they're probably going to pick your bid over anybody else, because nobody wants to hire the wrong guy. The other thing that most people are not taking advantage of is this bio. I cannot stress how important this is. If you want to 10x your income, make your income all better, make your customers' experience all better, make your business all better, this is really critical, especially for the first timers. When you sign up, you have no reviews. So this allows you to build a really outstanding profile so customers, when they receive your bid, they're able to see this information. Tell us about your experience. How many years you've been a handyman or plumbers or cleaners. Upload some photos of the work you've done. Keep in mind here, these badges, this is the visual that customers see when they receive your bid. So make sure you look top notch. This badge here is what you guys receive when you pass the criminal background check. This recommended badge is usually for contractors that maintain a 5-star rating on 5Job Plus, and of course the professionals if you guys opt into the operation management tools, which we discuss in other videos. Again, there are going to be some jobs that have no budget in mind by the clients. This gives you a chance to read the details and send a bid. So when you do bid on a job and you see here, you can actually start a conversation with that client about that job. So if you're not even sure what to bid because the details are not so accurate, you can send a number, put a description in it, and then initiate a chat conversation so you can get a better understanding of their needs. And once you finalize and you know what needs to be done, then you can always come back here and click on bid and change that bid to the right price. So now they have the right bid and they're ready to hit the hire button. Every time they hire you through the app, we make sure that they have money to pay when the work is completed. So we always recommend everything to be done right through the app for everybody's safety, everybody's success. Let's make this entire experience all better.